Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. I'm starting off today's video in the truck because I'm currently sitting outside Target getting ready to go inside and shop through all of the new home decor, home organization that they have. So I thought I'd take you guys with me and just film a little shop with me video today. I'll probably go in one other home decor store, and then I also want to go in Ashley Furniture store and take a look at their furniture. I need to get a lot of groceries this afternoon. We're completely out of groceries, so I'll be making a stop at Costco and Fry's. So I'll just take you along on my day today, and I hope that you enjoy. This is my favorite Target to shop at for home decor. They have such a huge selection, also a really good selection of organizational products, as you'll see here in a few minutes. But first we are looking at all of the new items in the Hearth and Hand collection. So many beautiful new pieces. I loved these faux leather storage bins, great for any type of organization. You could put this large one in your living room for toys or blankets. Unique bins and baskets are great to use anywhere in your home as decor that also doubles as storage. These gold lamps are really pretty and would be perfect in an office, on a desk, or side table. And before we get too far into the video, I am giving away a $50 Target gift card in this video to one of you. So the details of how to enter will be typed up here on the screen. If you want to enter to win that $50 Target gift card, just follow those steps to enter the giveaway. This bowl was really pretty and would be perfect for shelf styling. You could put this on an entryway table as like a catch-all bowl for your keys, wallet. They had a lot of new greenery and these pretty faux trees, but these trees were $150, which seemed a little bit high. They were good quality trees, they looked really realistic. And then over on these other shelves they had a bunch of new candles that smelled amazing, and these larger round ones would be perfect for a kitchen island or a coffee table. And these are so pretty. Once they're empty, you could clean them out and then use them for storage somewhere around your home, maybe on a bathroom shelf or something like that. I thought that these hooks were really unique. I'd never seen anything like this before. And then they also had this unique shelf as well. These wooden toys would make great gifts. They're really cute. I love the toaster set and then the little yellow duck with the pull string. This salt and pepper shaker was really neat to have sitting on the counter by your stove. It looks really cute and just easy to grab that salt and pepper when you're cooking. So many pretty baking dishes, and these glass jars with the wooden lids had a really good seal on them, so they would be great for storing any type of baking items like flour, sugar, brown sugar. They look really cute on your pantry shelves or even out on the kitchen counter. These baskets and also the black metal baskets would be perfect for pantry organization. They look really cute lined up on a shelf. They also had a lot of new little potted plants that were a good price and looked very realistic. Over here on this wall, they always have like the bedding and the towels, bathroom items. There was quite a few new items in this section. There was some new ottomans and side tables. These two leather ottomans were new. They had this one that opened up for storage on the inside and then the smaller round one. Also some new side tables that were really cute, and they always have some very unique kitchen accessories. So a great place to look for gifts if you're looking for some kitchen related gift ideas. So now I headed over a couple aisles to the Studio McGee section, and a lot of new items in here for 2023. A lot of different shelf decor, candles, baskets, pictures, some really pretty lamps and pillows. This table was pretty and seemed fairly sturdy. The drawers opened up nicely, but the drawers weren't perfectly lined up, as you can see there. It may not be like that for every table, but I just wanted to show you. This will be pretty in an entryway with a circle mirror on the wall over it, some greenery, and maybe like a bowl like I showed you earlier for throwing your keys in and stuff. Those two brown ottomans were really unique. I'd never seen anything like that before. They would look really pretty to have two like right in front of a fireplace. These two large baskets would be great to use as laundry baskets. You could have them in the corner of your bathroom. They still would look really cute, but you could throw all of your dirty laundry in there. The metal baskets and also these soft white and black baskets, great baskets for organization, and they look cute enough that you could just have them sitting out in a room for toy storage. The white one would be cute in a nursery. So now I'm heading over to the next aisle, which is the start of all of the organizational items, and I wanted to show you these packs of white hangers because it's only $3 for this large pack of white hangers. Those are the same ones that I have in my closet. They have got a lot of options for organizational items, more than normal. There was just several aisles packed full of organizational products. I guess it's just that time of year when everybody is decluttering and organizing. They've got some good options for closet organization, like a whole system you can put in your closet. They had different sizes of these bins with the lids, which are great for storage on the top shelf of a closet, or this wide, like long flat one would be great to put underneath of your bed for underbed storage. Just a lot of really neat different organization items for closets and bedrooms and drawers. I even saw some drawer dividers, jewelry organization, just definitely a good wide variety of options here. These metal stands with the drawers are perfect for under a kitchen sink or under the sink in a bathroom. They did have some acrylic containers as well. You can use these in so many different spaces of your home, in your pantry, under the kitchen sink. I have these all throughout my home. They also have an aisle of laundry organization. They had some collapsible laundry bags and they weren't quite as big as I thought they'd be. I have been looking for a collapsible laundry basket and I did just find one on Amazon, so I'll share that once I get it. These metal carts are so great and you can use them for so many different things in your home, for a craft room, playroom, sewing room. I put a black one of these in the laundry room at the Flip House, and I also have one in the boys' bedroom. They come in a lot of different colors, very sturdy, and this aisle had so many different great organization products, from foldable bins to baskets, cloth baskets, metal baskets, plastic ones. They had a few plastic baskets that were on clearance, some turntables. Love that large basket on the bottom shelf. It would be perfect for blankets or stuffed animals. Over here, these cloth baskets are always great for so many different spaces. And those black metal round baskets, I see those in a pantry with potatoes in them or just down along the bottom floor of a pantry. They did also have quite a few plastic bins that were on sale. These type of bins are always great to do under a bathroom sink. And then they had a whole wall of these drawer organizers, which I do have some of these smaller ones in our hall closet. And that's just perfect for storing all of the markers, tape, glue, all of those smaller craft items. And I have each drawer labeled, and it's just been great for keeping all of that organized. Okay, so we're out of Target. That was really fun. There was a lot of new items in there, a lot of stuff that I really liked, but I didn't end up buying much. Right now, the only room that I'm shopping for is the living room, and I'm just kind of waiting until I get the rug and get the furniture finalized before I buy decor. I grabbed that $50 gift card for you guys. I did grab the little wood whistles. This is a set of 2. And they're just so cute. I had to get these for the boys. And then I got the boys these matching polo shirts for our upcoming family vacation here in a few weeks. And that was it. So now on to the next stop. I've got a couple of returns. The back of the truck is full of Goodwill donations. So the next stop is Goodwill. I'll do my Amazon return, drop-offs. Into Ashley Furniture Store, which is always a really fun store to walk through and see all of the different setups that they have for dining rooms, bedrooms, living rooms. I came in here to sit on a couple different couches and just kind of get a feel for different styles, different heights. We're trying to decide if we want to do more of like a large sectional in our living room, something that will be a little bit more comfier and cozy. We're just not quite sure yet. It's a big decision, so I'm just trying to sit on a few things, check out a couple of styles, and I was just also looking at everything else that they had in here. They had quite a few beautiful pieces of furniture and some beautiful large rugs. Their decor in here is usually very pricey, like the pillows and everything. I've never bought anything in here actually, but the prices are a little bit crazy for decor, but they do have some good prices for furniture. Now I'm heading into At Home. I had a return, and I also went back to check out the organizational products that they have here, just to show you the different options that At Home has for organizers. And they do have quite a few aisles right now of all different types of organizational products, and they also are a great place to go for baskets. If I can't find baskets at another store, I know that I can always find a good selection of a lot of unique and different styles and sizes of baskets at Home. They actually had 2 different aisles of baskets on this day. Their prices on some of the baskets can be a little bit high, I think, but such a good selection if you're really in need of some unique baskets. Okay, so all of my returns are done, and now it's time to get groceries, which is going to take a while, and it's already 3:30. I have an hour drive back home. So I try to fit as many things into a trip to town as I possibly can, but then the day ends up just being so long. And I was hoping to go to Trader Joe's before Costco, but I don't think I'm gonna have time. Have to go through the car wash and then to Costco. This Costco is always so packed. Like you saw, I had to park way out in the second parking lot. So it was a long way to push my full cart all the way out to my truck. But like I said, I needed a lot of groceries. We were basically out of everything at home. And so I was doing a stock up. Got a full cart here at Costco, and I'm just showing you some of my favorite Costco items as I'm putting them in my cart here. The shredded cheese, the honey, the tortilla chips, the peanut butter, chocolate chips. These are items that I always rebuy when we run out of them. I always get my olive oil there and ketchup, maple syrup. I didn't end up having time to do a grocery haul when I got home, but you got a good overview of all of the items that I got, and I have done quite a few Costco grocery hauls in the past. I usually end up buying most of the same items, but sometimes it can vary. I always get the carrots and some cheese and lettuce, different things like that. Okay, so I survived Costco and I'm back in the truck. Got all the groceries loaded in here. It's already 5:15, so I don't think I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's or Fry's. I'm just gonna go ahead and head home. I wanna get home before it gets dark. I've got an hour drive home. I've had my Stanley cup with me today. This thing was full of water when I left. It's just really nice and fits right in the cup holder. I've had it for several months and I love it. Keeps my water cold all day.